Hello, everyone, and welcome to our podcast. I'm Arjun F. Kiban, and today we're going to talk about something that most of us students experience: laziness, procrastination, and other habits that hold us back from reaching our dreams. Yes, all of us have dreams. Some of us aspire to become teachers, doctors, architects, engineers, and many more. Personally, I dream of becoming an engineer, especially an electrical engineer. However, dreams are not easily achieved. Every dreams begin with a goal, and achieving that goal requires more than just a talent. It takes consistency, discipline, and dedication. One habit that many students can relate to happens after we get home from schools. We tell ourselves, I'll just rest for a while before I start my assignments. But that short break often turns into hours of scrolling through our phones, watching reels, playing video games, or sleeping. Before we realize it, we keep saying, I'll do it tomorrow, and our finished assignments continue to pile up. Procrastination also affects the quality of our work because we leave ourselves with very little time to complete it. Fortunately, every problem has a solution. It's time to break this cycle and build better habits. First, instead of saying, I'll do it later, let's sacrifice at least 30 minutes to 1 hour to complete our assignments before taking a break. By finishing our priorities first, we can enjoy our free time without worrying about unfinished schoolwork. Second, break large tasks into smaller tasks, manageable ones. Sometimes we feel overwhelmed because an assignment seems difficult, but dividing it into smaller parts make it easier to complete one step at a time. Lastly, minimize distractions by setting our phones aside and putting it on silent mode while studying. This simple habit can greatly improve our focus and productivity. Remember that every assignment, quiz, task, and lessons bring us one step closer to our dreams that we aspire to achieve. Success is not achieved by waiting for tomorrow. It is the result of our effort, discipline, and consistency we practice every single day. Thank you for listening. Once again, I'm Arjon F. Kiban and I'll see you in our next podcast.